Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day as usual. In today's video, I come to you with a Chanel unboxing. This is actually an item that I purchased a few months back, but I just haven't unboxed it yet, and I'm so excited to share it with you. I actually have a handbag to share, and then I also have a small leather good to share as well, and these are going to be true unboxings. The little small leather good, I actually ordered it online, and the handbag I went into the store to purchase. This is actually an item that I had my eye on, gosh, for a long time. I would say maybe 2 years ago I looked into getting it, and I almost did, and I definitely should have because of the price increases that have occurred, but I waited too long, so because of that I am purchasing the bag after the price increase. So anyway, I'll get into it a little more once I unbox it, but this is something that I've had on my wish list, and it might not be what you expected. So I am gonna stop chatting, and what I'm gonna do, I want you guys to experience the unboxing for yourself as well. So usually I will unbox it in front of the camera for you. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go behind the camera and I'm gonna unbox it just as if you guys were unboxing it yourself, and I will tell you all about it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the smallest item first. I actually ordered this because I wanted it to go with the handbag that I purchased, and I actually don't have anything like this from Chanel, so it is going to be my first purchase like this for Chanel. So first, can we take a moment to appreciate how this is wrapped? This is just so stunning. So I'm gonna try to leave the flower on because I think that looks so pretty, and I like to save these. And then it's packaged so nicely, but let's go ahead and untie this. And it of course has the beautiful Chanel ribbon. Okay, open the box. And this is going to be all of the care information that normally comes with it. Okay, and it is going to come in the beautiful Chanel dust bag. And again, this is the first time I'm seeing it as well. And the item that I got is this beauty right here. How stunning is this card holder? So I knew that I wanted a card holder from Chanel, but I wasn't sure exactly which one to get. I had my eye on a really pretty purple one, but I waited too long and it was gone. So as you know, I don't know if I've shared this before, but I am just in love, I mean, who isn't, with the turn lock closure. And this doesn't actually turn, but you can see it has this silver and black CC logo, and it has a little turn lock, which is beautiful. This is going to be the caviar leather, so I know it's going to be nice and durable. There is a card slot here. There are two card slots on the back, which, oh, that's great. I didn't realize there were two on the back. Let me take these out so that you can kind of see what it looks like. And then another thing is there is a spot on the inside here. This one in particular is made in Spain, and then I just have the authenticity card that's in here. But already I'm realizing that this is really pliable, so I feel as though I'm going to be able to fit quite a few cards in here. But I really wanted to get a Chanel card holder. I have some by Louis Vuitton, I have some by Gucci and Burberry, but I didn't have one from Chanel, and I think this is just perfect. Like I said, it does have the turn lock closure, and I wanted to have something to go with the bag that I purchased. So that is the first item. So now let's go ahead and get into the bag. Okay, you guys, here is the beautiful packaging. Like I said, this is a true unboxing. I did go into the store, and I have to tell you, I was not expecting for them to have this bag. So when he did have it, I knew that I had to jump on it because, you know, with Chanel, pieces are really hard to find. So I thought, you know what, I better just go ahead and do it before it's gone. So of course you have this stunning packaging, which I'm wondering if there's a way I can get, no, there's not really a way I can get it off without ruining it, but they tie the packaging so well, and I can never repeat it when I try to. But I have to say, I actually got my bag and my card holder by 2 different essays, and they were both like really, really helpful. They weren't pushy. You know how sometimes sales associates can be a bit pushy? They weren't at all. They were super, super nice. Oh, one thing, I'm so sorry, I have to mention about this card holder. Another thing I was super grateful for, my sales associate, I told him I loved Chanel Gardenia, and I asked him if he had any samples, and he gave me 3 Chanel Gardenia samples. I do have the full size, but I love the smell of it, so I wanted to keep something in my purse, but I thought that was really, really sweet. So I just wanted to mention that he did that as well. So, all right, so let's get into it. I'm so excited. Like I said, this is a true unboxing. Put this right here. Do you guys have any idea what it is? It comes in the beautiful velvet dust bag, and you guys might be a little surprised. I know I did have an item on my wish list, but I don't know if this is going to be what you thought. And the item that I picked up is, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, let me just take a moment because I am seeing this for the first time since I was at the boutique. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so stunning. So this is the Chanel Wallet on Chain, also known as the Chanel Walk, in the trendy CC. I will go through, so this is in lambskin. So I do have to tell you what made me purchase this. So you guys might recall that a few years back, I purchased the Chanel Wallet on Chain in caviar. One thing I've always loved about Chanel is the turn lock closure, and I've always wanted a Chanel walk with a turn lock closure, and at the time the only one they have to offer is the trendy CC, but I was a little concerned. I didn't know if I would want that because you can see it does have this plate at the top, and sometimes that can be a little flashy, but I have seen people carry it where they loop it so that the chain is covering it. So I actually thought that that would be a little more downgraded and not as like in your face, but the turn lock closure has done it. It just did it for me. And I actually have watched a couple handbag comparisons between this and the Chanel Wallet on Chain. I have it in the caviar. Actually, let me get that. Hold on one second. Okay, so here's the one I currently own. This is the Chanel Wallet on Chain in the caviar leather. But one thing with this, it didn't have a turn lock and it had a button closure. And I just really, really, really wanted one with a turn lock closure. The only bad part is this bag is in lambskin, but I figure since my Chanel walk is in caviar, it's, you know, kind of a nice change. So let me go ahead and show you like the features of this bag. So first, it still has the protective covering on it, but you can see the beautiful turn lock closure. It has the Chanel plate. You can see it's so beautiful. Again, this has the plastic on it as well. You can see that the chain kind of comes through the holes, unlike the other Chanel walk, which I love how it does that. I think that is really beautiful. And then on the back, this one does not have a pocket, unlike the Chanel walk. And keep in mind, I will do a comparison between the two, but I just wanted to bring that out for comparison purposes. So now let's go ahead and open it. So look at this. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. And this is the champagne gold hardware, so I just think it's so stunning. I feel like if this plate would have been in like gold, like yellow gold, it would have looked a little gaudy, but because this is like more of a yellow gold, I feel like it looks nice. So this, oh my gosh, taking all this is so pretty. Okay, and you can see how it loops through. So it has the leather zip pull right here. And this one, unlike the Chanel Wallet on Chain, does not go all the way down. And then you open it and you can see it has 3 card slots here and 3 card slots there. It does not have a back pocket. I definitely think I'm going to have to get some kind of an organizer in here to stretch it out a little bit. It also has this zip pocket right here, in which I currently have the authenticity card. And then it has this pocket right here, which for my other walk, this is where I usually keep my phone. So I just think this is going to be so beautiful and functional. This particular one, I don't know if you can see that. I'll flip it. Right there is made in Italy. My gosh, but this is just so pretty. I will do some mod shots later. So again, I did purchase this to go with it. I just think it matches really nicely. Of course, this is silver and this is the gold, but this is the closest I could find, and I just thought that looked really pretty. So you just open the turn lock. You can fit that in there. What I will probably also do is I will probably carry my phone here. Now this portion definitely feels a little stiffer than the Caviar does, but let me get my phone, hold on. Here is my phone. I do have the iPhone XR and it has a pop socket. So I would probably just put it in here. And I'm not gonna lie, with the pop socket, it is a little snug. Let's see if that's gonna close. You know what, I might, oh, that's really, really snug. So with the pop socket on the phone and the card holder, you can see it stretches out a little bit. So I might have to take that out because that will stretch it out a little. One thing with lambskin, the only bad part is you have to be extremely careful. As you know, I have the Chanel classic flap in the medium, and literally I think it was like the first week I had it, I scratched it. So that was the only downfall about this one, is that it is in the lamb, but it's something about the Chanel lambskin that I feel like just looks so beautiful, classic and chic. Like, let's just take a peek between this one and the Caviar leather, and then you can see they're both beautiful, but there's just something so incredibly elegant about this. So anyway, I was super excited to get this piece. You guys might have been surprised when I unboxed it because I know I have the Chanel mini square on my wish list. However, there's a specific one that I want, and right now they only have it in a lambskin. I would love the Chanel mini square in the Caviar, and I want it to look like really boxy, but I just haven't found it. I might have to get it pre-loved. And I actually need your advice because I have this one. Do you think that I should sell the Chanel while on chain and Caviar, or do you think I should keep both? I don't know. I don't want to be like extra by having both of them, but I feel like they could serve different purposes. Like this one is a little dressier, whereas this one is a little more casual. So I'll have to think about that some more, but I just think this is beautiful. And I didn't mention the chain is like so incredibly stunning. Do you see that? Okay, so let me go ahead and show you some mod shots. Okay guys, now I am gonna do some mod shots of this beautiful bag. So just for reference, I am 5'3", and you can see if I wear it crossbody, which that's probably how I'm gonna wear it, it hits me right below the hip, pretty much on the thigh, and I like that. I just think it looks so classic and chic. Now, if I wear it on the shoulder, you can see it's a little bit longer. But you know, the beauty of like the walk is there are so many ways you can wear it. So you can wear it that way. Then you could also like pull it through, tuck the chain in, and you could, you know, wear it kind of as like a little clutch. But earlier what I was saying is some people might think this Chanel like logo here, the plate is in your face. So you can pull it through and then shut it so that you can have the chain over top of the plate, and then that's gonna make it a little shorter when you wear it. Actually, I like that. I do like that a lot, but I just think it's really stunning and it'll be easy to get into. One complaint that I have had with the Chanel walk is because this one is the button closure, I find it difficult sometimes to close. And when I watch videos, some people were saying that if you got the turn lock closure, it was a little easier to fit things in. So I'm really, really excited about this. Let me just give you another like up close view at this beauty. And again, I might end up getting some sort of like a purse organizer. If you guys can recommend a good one, let me know to kind of stretch this out a little bit. I just think this looks so stunning with the turn lock closure. Again, there's the inside. So pretty, you guys, so pretty. Okay guys, there you have it. That was my Chanel unboxing. I'm really excited about this and I need to know your thoughts. Do you think now that I have the Chanel While On Chain Trendy CC, I should sell my Caviar While On Chain, or do you think it's good to keep both because one is a little more casual, the other one is a little dressy? And I also want to know, are you guys surprised by my purchase? Like, I bet a lot of you thought I was going to come home with either the Chanel Mini Rectangle or the Chanel Mini Square, and I have a specific style that I want, and I will put a picture up on the screen. I think Luxe Mommy has it, and it's really square. It's caviar leather. I just think that that is absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna keep looking for it. I don't want to invest the money unless I find what I like, but I'm really happy with this. If you guys own this bag, let me know your thoughts. Do you like it? If you own this compared to the While on the Chain, what is the comparison between the two? I love to know your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to join. If you are new to my channel, I'd love to have you hit that little subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I do a lot of unboxings, I do makeup reviews, I do fashion videos, I do comparison videos. I do a plethora of everything and I'd love to have you join me. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. I do a lot of outfit pics and flat lays, so I'd love to have you join me over there as well. Thank you guys again for watching, and remember to always be kind to others, and I will see you in my next video.
Wish me the best of luck.